What is it? Seaweeds, ini seaweeds. Parang
Seaweed. Good morning. So we're here at the sea. Yeah, somewhere here in part of Almeria, Biliran. So we're gonna start now our C2 summit, climbing Naliwatan in Tres Marias. So we're ready to go from sea to summit. So the time is already 5 o'clock, starting at 5 o'clock in the morning. Let's go! Now ready, Rodney?
What's up?
Are you ready for that epic climb?
Sige. Oo, tama.
Yeah, okay. So ready with Rodney. Yeah, we're ready to start at 5 o'clock here in the sea, going to the summit. So the countdown is starting now. It's already 5 o'clock in the morning. We start now. Starting now our trek. Going to the summit.
Ano yun?
To the highway now. Yeah, we're now in the highway. Yeah. Gonna climb somewhere there. That's the way going to Sampao. Gonna climb there. Going up. Yeah, we're now on the road. Time to cross there. There, Rodney. So gonna cross now. Right, cross already. So we're gonna go up there. So it's already sunrise now. Yeah, and crossing roads there. Rodney, and are ready for the epic climb. Sampao. Walking to Sampao. Oh. Okay. Taking nice sunrise there. See, I see now the mountain. Beautiful. Still 5:25 in the morning and beautiful sunrise. So we're now walking going to Barangay Sampao, Almeria, Biliran. So this is a very nice hiking from the sea to the summit. So it's my first time to do this. Before I already climbed Naliwatan Peak, Mount Naliwatan, but we start in Ulan-Ulan with Daryl Kumagon, my friend from Manila. So we go biking around Biliran. We make a biking loop and we climb Naliwatan, starting at Ulan-Ulan Falls. But now we start at the sea, going to the summit of Naliwatan Peak. about 125 above sea level, the summit of the mountain. So that's the said highest peak here, in one of the highest peak here in Eastern Visayas, here in Biliran. Yes, beautiful. Many mountains here. You can see Mount Panamaw there. You can see the Tres Marias. So Mount Naliwatan is also part of Tres Marias. So there's a three peak, but the highest peak, which is the Naliwatan peak. So it's beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful house here along the road going to Sampaw. Flower.
Kabaho.
Ha? Mana? Dire Mahamat. So we're now here in the crossing.
This way to Nabal.
Oh, Nabal, going there where we came from. So there's another way here. I'm not sure. Maybe Tamarindo. There's a Pundol Falls also there. And we go this way here. Going to Sampaw now.
Alam ko ito nagtatapo si Rabat.
Ngadi. So Sampaw now. Going now to the mountain. So we go first to Disin House. Gonna have our breakfast before we climb the mountain. Okay. Sampaw now. Going up. You can see also Simcoe Hilltop Resort somewhere there, and Erica. There's a resort there in Sampaw.
Morning job.
Yeah, we're near now Sampaw. So now we're going up now, all the way to Sampaw.
Marami mo lang ngayon.
So nice. So it's already 6:04 in the morning. Almost 1 hour and 4 minutes walking. Yeah, nice. So I remove already my sweatshirt. So I'm using my canyoning t-shirt. Grinders the Canyon. Yeah. Okay. Here now Sampaw. So somewhere there. So that's Simcoe Hilltop. So we can see the rice terraces here. So it's rice terraces. Yeah, beautiful. This nice view there. Yeah. Beautiful view. And that's Mount Panamaw over there. Mount Panamaw. Beautiful terraces. There. Near Sampaw now. 6:17. Yeah, beautiful rice field there. The irrigation. There's the irrigation for their rice field. Yeah, water coming out there. Yeah, from the rice field. Yeah, this is a Simcoe Hilltop Resort. Our friends staying here. So there's a Simcoe Resort just in front there. And they're staying there. Antones Levien. Yeah, so we're going there. Further. So the buildings look like a ship. That's the Simcoe Hilltop Resort. So there's a entrance there, going there. It's a hotel and restaurant. So if you want to stay here, you can also stay overnight there. It's a Simcoe Resort. Yeah, there. Inside the resort here in Simcoe Hilltop. It's really beautiful here. Yeah. So Simcoe. I love Simcoe. Yeah. Beautiful. That's their hotel there. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful place here. Hilltop Resort. Because you can see the view there. So below there's Naval somewhere there. That's the proper Biliran Naval. That's the view there. So they have their hotel there. And this is the restaurant like a ship. So nice view. So come to Sampao, visit Asemco Hilltop Resort here in Almeria, Biliran. So it's very nice here for sightseeing. So also overnight here. If you want to go to Ulan Ulan Falls, you can stop over here for lunch or dinner, or you can have snack here at Asemco Resort here in Biliran. Yeah, beautiful. So beautiful here during sunset because you can see the sunset here in the sea. Yeah. And at the back, where's the Tres Marias there to climb, going to Ulan Ulan Falls, all the way to Mount Naliwatan. We're going now there. So back to Decent House. Let's go. Okay. We're leaving Asemco, going back now to the road. Go. There's another resort here. We call this one Erica Nature Park. So only beside the Simcoe Resort. So there's also Erica Nature Park. Yeah, Erica Nature Park. There's a Mount Naliwatan there. So that's we're gonna climb there, that mountain. So already in Mount Naliwatan, ready to climb. And this is the Erica, still closed. So this is the resort here. Erica Nature Park Mountain Resort. They're still closed. So yeah, we just passed by. And what terraces here are so beautiful. Beautiful terraces. Go. Older terraces also. Rice terraces. Bye na ka. So they're getting their rice there. This rice field harvesting. Then the rice field, gonna dry the rice field there. Rice field drying. Drying the rice field. Yeah. Rice drying. Finally, we arrive here in Sampao. That's their barangay hall there. So barangay hall of Sampao. Yeah, there. We already arrived here in barangay Sampao. So we're here in Sampao. We're gonna back now to Decent House. So we're gonna have our breakfast. Decent House. Now to Decent House. Okay, back to the base camp. Ayan, buntag. Abot pa lang. Abot pa lang may gikan sa dagat. Padong dire. Okay, time for breakfast. 37. So we walk already for 1 hour and 37 minutes. Prepare here, we're gonna get our bag also and prepare for the mountain climbing to Mount Naliwatan. So we'll have our breakfast first before we leave. So okay, see you later. Breakfast, and we're just relaxing now here at Decent House. In a few minutes we're gonna prepare and ready to hike going to Ulan Ulan Falls, the jump up point going to Mount Naliwatan. So ready again for another hiking for the second part of the climb, epic climb here in Biliran. We're here in Sampao, Barangay Sampao. We're leaving now, going to Mount Naliwatan. So we're gonna hike now from here all the way to the summit of the mountain, Mount Naliwatan, and come back. So the time now is already almost 8 o'clock. Almost 8 o'clock, and we're leaving here. I'm ready now to climb. Let's go. Rodney there, ready. Ready?
Iba na lang costume.
Oh. Now. Yeah, let's go. to the mountain. Climbing now. Climb Biliran. Epic climb. Already there. The jump up point of Ulan-Ulan Falls. And also jump up point going to Mount Naliwatan. So the road only stop here. We're gonna climb now here. So there's already a trail there going to the mountain. So we're gonna register also here. So we're gonna pay for the entrance fee before you climbing the mountain. So there's a sari-sari store here, so you can buy supply or food before you climb. This there, like tourism center. Gonna register here. And there's the our canyoning Biliran, our poster. If you want to do canyoning Biliran, so you start also starting here for canyoning Biliran. So we're gonna logbook. Yeah, we're gonna logbook now. Okay, logbook.
Biliran climb.
Okay.
Pinti yan.
So logbook here for the tourism, and then we're gonna pay 25 pesos for the entrance per person. And for the foreigners, 50 pesos. So we're gonna pay here. Where Kuya. Later, there's a sari-sari store. We're gonna buy some water or some snacks before climbing. For the epic climb in Biliran.
Okay.
Video man.
Ay, video kasi adi.
Jump up point, we're gonna start at 8:25. Okay, starting hiking now, going to the mountain.
Salamat, Dol.
Okay, go. Mountain climbing.
Holy Week special. Holy Week special.
Okay, starting the hiking. Mountain climbing now. So it's already trail going to the summit. Starting here at the Ulan-Ulan jump up point there. In Sampaw going to Ulan-Ulan Falls. So we go in the mountain. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Climbing. View. And on the top. So we're gonna follow this irrigation. There's a trail here going to irrigation. Let me go first. Okay. Now we're walking here in irrigation. You need to be careful because very high. One false move, you will fall down. Irrigation. Full river,
Crystal clear talaga.
clear water, like green, blue green. So we can drink the water here later. Okay. So climb Biliran. So Biliran is very famous for hiking, mountain climbing. So they have many mountains here. There's they have an island municipality here in Marapipi. They have a high mountain there. They call them Telecom Peak. So it's also nice mountain, and also the highest peak here, Mount Panamao. And also the Tres Marias, Peak 1, Peak 2, and the Peak 3 is Naliwatan Peak, the one we're going now. And there's also Mount Suero, somewhere in Caibiran, I think, or Culaba. So, and also they have also Camp Bibin in this area, somewhere in Kawayan. So if you want to do the Peak Tres Marias, you can coordinate at the Provincial Tourism Office in Biliran, in the capital of Naval, Biliran. There's a tourism office there. If you want to do the Peak, you need to register there, and they have an entrance fee for 100 peso. If you only visit Naliwatan, so you can only go to the barangay. At the jump off point, there's a tourism desk there that you can also pay for 25 pesos for the Filipino and 50 pesos for the foreigner to visit Ulan-Ulan Falls or go hiking in Naliwatan and back. So if you're looking for a guide here, I can recommend you can contact De Silva Hela. So it's a good guide here in Biliran, a very professional guide. He's guiding all the mountain of Biliran. Here is based in Barangay Sampao. So for canyoning in Biliran, you can just contact us, Trexplore. So we're also doing canyoning in Biliran. So it's also many waterfalls here. So this is the best place for canyoning in the Philippines, especially here in Biliran. Yeah, and then we continue hiking. Yeah, we're here at Nomad Falls. That's Nomad Waterfall. Above there, there's also a Trexplore Falls. So we do canyoning here. So we rappel there. And we have our lunch here in this area. So when we do canyoning. So we continue hiking here to the mountain of Naliwatan. Go hiking again. Going to the top. Back to the waterfall. That is the bolt when we go canyoning. So that's our bolt when we go canyoning here. You're gonna rappel here, or you can jump. So very clear water. So you can jump there, the waterfall there. So go climbing there, going up. Here in the canyon now. There's the place we do canyoning, all the way there to the Nomads waterfall there. Over there you can go sliding at Trexplore Falls. There's a beautiful slide there, very thrilling. So this is where we start our canyoning. So when we do the canyoning, we start here, all the way down there, going to Lanulan waterfall. So there's many waterfalls here for canyoning. Here you can slide here, over there you can slide there. So it's beautiful. There, because we do mountain climbing, we still go further. For canyoning, we just start here, all the way down to Lanulan Falls. But if you go climb Naliwatan, you're gonna go further and go up the summit of the mountain. The trees, because of the typhoon, so all the trees block here in the river. Yeah, many big tree fall down during typhoon. We lost in the trail. We don't find the trail going up to Mount Naliwatan. We're still here in the river. I don't know anymore where's the trail going up because of the typhoon. Lot of trees along the river and the trail is already different. I've been here a long time ago, so we don't know now anymore the trail, so we're gonna find it. Let's see if we still find it. We can still manage to go up to Naliwatan Peak. Because we're lost, we don't find that trail going up in summit of Naliwatan, so we just go back to the trail and ask some people where we can find the trail going up. So going back now to Ulan Falls. So I don't know if we can still do the sea to summit or maybe sea to falls only. Yeah, back to Ulan Falls for lunch. Let's go. Going back now. This is the where we do our canyoning in the waterfall. So we're going back now to Ulan Falls because we don't find the way going to summit. Let's go. Naliwatan hike again. We have already the sketch. Thank you to Diselba Hela.
Dire kami na surrender.
So we will go. No retreat, no surrender. We're gonna find a way. If there's a will, there's a way. Okay. I have also my lunch pack here. We have chicken. Wow, yummy. I'm eating time. The trail there. We know already the trail. Sure, we're not anymore get lost. Thank you to Diselba for the sketch. Water, drinking water in the river. Water break. Yeah, finally we found the way. There in the dead tree. That's the marker going to Naliwatan. So that's already the trail. Finally made it.
Thanks for yourself.
Yeah, thanks to Desen for the showing us the way. Because I've been here a long time ago. That's why I don't anymore. I already forget the trail here. Many changes because of the flooding. Many rocks, boulders. Yeah, but now to the summit of Naliwatan. Yeah, we're relaxing now here. The assault going to Naliwatan Peak. So we're still here in the river. By 1 o'clock we start climbing to the summit of Naliwatan Peak. So finally we find the way. So we're not anymore lost. So it's beautiful here in Biliran. There's also many waterfalls here. So a lot of falls here. There's falls in Almeria, Bagungbong waterfalls, Ulan Falls. Also here in this area, Nomad Falls, Trexplore Falls. So a lot of falls. In this area we do canyoning here in Sampao. So when you go also in Caibiran, there's also there Tinago Falls, famous waterfalls in Biliran. And also Napusuan Falls somewhere in Mainit Hot Spring, further Mainit. And there's also Kinaraha Falls in Caibiran. So there's also Kinaraha Falls also here in Barangay Sampao. And there's also Pundol Falls in Almeria. And also when you go to Kabukgayan in Balakid, there's also many waterfalls there. There's Kasabangan Falls, there's Saob Falls, and there's still more falls above Saob Falls. So we do also there canyoning in Balakid. There's more extreme because you're gonna rappel 90 meter in Saob waterfalls. So there's a lot of waterfalls. There's also 2 hot spring in Biliran. There in Kaibiran, there's the Mainit hot spring, and somewhere in Nabal, there's also Mainit hot spring. So there's also 2 sandbar in Biliran. There's like so, only sandbar somewhere there in Hingatangan Island. So and also somewhere in Sambawan Island. So it's also beautiful beach. And Talahid Beach, Agta Beach, VRC. So it's a nice beach there for swimming. And also there's also Shoe Island there in Kabuggayan. So beautiful here in Biliran. So nice for exploring. If you like exploring, so come visit Biliran Island. So very peaceful here, very safe. So even you go hiking here, so it's safe. So there's no other people here. Very quiet. Not so much tourists. Only us and Rodney taking a rest. Few minutes we start climbing and reaching the summit. Hopefully we can make it for 3 to 4 hours going to the summit. So we'll see. If we're still walk fast, we can reach the summit by sunset. So hope we can see the sunset in the summit of Naliwatan. And then when we go down here, we're gonna go down night trekking. Night trek going down to Barangay Sampao, where we stay at Disin House. So back for mountain climbing. See you at the summit. 1 o'clock. Okay, let's go climbing. Get my bag. Yeah! Liberada.
Agay.
Hiking. Uphill now. All are uphill, going up to the campsite of Naliwatan first and then later to the summit. Nice, there's like a mushroom. Yeah, mushroom. So climbing now, assault now to Mount Naliwatan. So all the way to the peak. This is up here. Yeah, we arrived now in campsite of Naliwatan. Campsite. So we're going straight to the summit. I'm now already 1:53. Almost 1 hour. Go direct to the summit and then come back. See you. We're in the campsite at Naliwatan with JR, with his guest. JR, bye bye. Going now to the summit. We met JR here with his guest. They're going down to Ulan-Ulan to Sampao. Us going up to Naliwatan and go back later. We're going now to the summit of Naliwatan. So that's our the campsite there. So with many guests there. They also went to Naliwatan. So now we're starting 57. Okay, let's go. Forest. There, the Mosi. Mosi Forest now. We're now near the summit of Naliwatan. You ready for the summit?
Ready na! Ready na lang yan.
We're near now.
Kaya 30
Yeah.
minutes.
Made it, almost there. Because it's there. We don't give up. Even we lost, we go back to Ulan-Ulan and we go back because it's there. So, yeah. Mission accomplished. Okay, they're going back now. Teka, saan mo? Kulaba. Sige, hinay mo. Sige, hinay. So, there's other people, yeah, from the summit going down. They're from Kulaba. Sige.
Sir, ampeng.
Okay.
Delete ko yun yan. Daratingan ba yun ako? I-post ko.
Okay.
Sinikam.
Yeah. We meet some other hiker. They're from Biliran only. From Colaba, from Kawayan. So there are many of them. I don't know, maybe 20 people. So yeah, again, summit. Nice plant. Yeah, we're near the summit. Almost there. Naliwatan Peak. Highest peak.
Pag hindi rin halatadong ako.
Yeah. Also here. Very nice. Relaxing. Nice plant here. Mostly forest now. We're near the summit. So that's why many plants here. Mostly plant. Very nice. Forest. Very nice. The picto there. Picto. The picture is here. Naliwatan. Yeah. And we see the picto there. Yeah. Okay, go. Ah, tastes good. We're almost near the summit. Just taking a rest little bit. And then we'll reach the top. Near the summit. So landslide. Yeah, rock fall down. Big landslide. Fall up from here. And we go down the landslide. Summit of Naliwatan Peak. All the way down there.
Otro. Sige.
Yeah, beautiful. Mostly forest. We're here now the Mossy Forest. Yeah, very nice. Nice forest. Dadan. Yeah, Mossy Forest. Very nice. So near the summit. There are many big pitcher plant there. There. A pitcher plant. Nice. Yeah, nice. Mushroom. Very nice here. Mostly forest. Yeah, beautiful at my back. So we're at the Mossy Forest now. Yeah, nice.
Oops. Uy. Unti-unti lang nawawala ang clearing.
See pitcher plant. Yeah, beautiful there. Pitcher plant. Very nice. Finally, we're here at the summit of Mount Naliwatan. So we can see now the marker over there. Come. Yeah, we made it. Ta-da! Congratulations. We made it. Woo! Yeah, made it. Naliwatan Peak. Made it. See to summit. Made it. See to summit. We made it. Yeah, congratulations to us, to Rodney. Made it. It's foggy now here. No more clearing. So we don't see the view because it's foggy. But we're reaching the summit. So we don't mind the view, but we just only reach the summit. It's okay. And we go back. So the objective just to reach the summit. Not the view.
The muscle pidokit, sir.
Okay, nice. So later we're going down. Gonna only take a picture here and go down. Congratulations to us with Rodney. R-click.
Waraya na camera.
Okay. Oh, nice view, no? Pag only. We don't see the view.
Baka ka sa kwan langit ba?
Ha?
Waraya na ba nakikita?
Langit na, talagang langit.
Kita ka din sa amaro, kita ng kwan. Hinuplakan.
Naliwatan. We're in the summit of Naliwatan! Woo! Made it.
Nag-aaraso.
Yeah, made it. It's foggy here. Naliwatan Summit.
Kalupit talaga.
Here in Biliran, Sampaw. Barangay Sampaw.
Tila waray hingad eh.
Yeah.
Ay,
Even we lost and we find a way.
Pa.
Yeah, good.
Oh, karasa.
Naliwatan. Mount Naliwatan. Nice. Plant. There. Nice. We have water, we have fungi bar. So we have an energy to go down from the mountain. So Rodney is eating also. So from here, summit of Mount Naliwatan, we're still going down, but not to Sampaw. We still go to the sea. So sea to the summit and back to the sea. So will be another epic adventure. Rodney, ready to the sea?
Ambot la. Sige.
Ano ang wala? No,
Malapit.
no surrender.
Pakiharali nila.
Oh, siya nakitipabalik na. Jogging na lang kita niyang padagat.
Oo, kaya nga nga balikan.
Oh, lag. So still made it. We can go night swimming in the sea. So we go down maybe quarter to 4 o'clock. The time was already 3:29. So we arrived in the summit around 3:15. Yeah, we just made it from the river coming here like 2 hours and 15 minutes to Naliwatan Summit 1,314. Yeah, pitcher plant. There, mini pitcher plant. Very nice. Pitcher plant. Yeah. Here in Naliwatan. So a lot of pitcher plant here. So they're just growing in the plant in the trees. So we're leaving now here in Naliwatan. Now we're going back now to Barangay Sampaw and all the way to the sea. So from the sea to the summit and back to the sea. So ready for hiking again. Let's go down. Let's go. So now we're going down now. So from the summit all the way down. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let me here. Let me pitcher plant again. There's inside. I don't know. It's an insect inside. Oh, inside the pitcher plant. That's like an insect. Yeah, very nice. Many. 40 in Aliwatan, starting going down. Ready? So arrived now at the campsite. We're now at the campsite. Time now is already 4:11. So it's like only 30 minutes going down from the summit. Snack time. Yeah. Rest time. Water time. Yeah, campsite. Only 30 minutes from the summit of Naliwatan going down to the campsite. Very fast. Just jogging going down. Relaxing at the campsite. Water time. And we continue again. Going down to the river. Back to Ulan Falls. Until now, let's go. Going there, going down to the river. Let's go. Yeah. Back to the trail. Yeah. In the river. Yeah, coming from there in the top. Ano? Cobra.
Kalapit sa kubra ka na ako. Diyos ko, good man.
Kapitik dayon.
Hindi po katalaksi. Ginta po kami guys, kubra. Good man.
Yeah. Cobra along the trail. Only 1 meter from me.
Ano?
I almost bite but I run.
Ano ako ngayon niyo?
Yeah. Yeah. Big cobra there. You need to be careful when you go hiking here because there's still many cobra and viper here in this mountain.
Sorry maka-video kay live muna
Yeah.
bago video, live.
I cannot make the video because we run. Because it's dangerous when they bite you. Yeah, you will be 50-50. Dangerous. We're leaving now. To start hiking again. Going now to the river all the way to Ulan Falls. Follow this river. Downhill now to Ulan. So we already did the road there. Come on, let's go. Yun naman dito. Yeah, we're down now. Come on, let's go.
Welcome to Ulan.
Yeah, back to Ulan. Ulan waterfall. Yeah, made it. Go down. Woo, side trip. Ulan Falls, let's go. Ulan Falls 525. Yeah, we're now to Ulan waterfall. Yeah, nice. It's one of the tourist attraction here in Almeria, Biliran. Ulan waterfall. Nice. Made it. Ulan waterfall. So later from here, we're gonna walk now going to Barangay Sampao to Disin House. Woo!
Totro.
Go to Disin House. Back to Sampao. So we're here now in the Ulan-Ulan jump off point. Time now is already 5:33. We're going now to Sampaw. So bye bye JR. See you. Back to the road. There. So we're now walking now going to Barangay Sampaw. Back to Disin house. Yeah. It's good. We don't do the night trek because we go down very fast. Yeah.
Outdoor lecture.
Dako ngayon ano. Yeah. Pwede na ako tanon.
Pwede na.
Here. It's like Baguio. Sa pine tree. Yeah, walking now. We're near now Sampaw. Near now Sampaw. So we go to Desenhaw. We're gonna relax. And we're not yet finished. Because we're still going to walk going to the sea. Because the project will be sea to summit and to sea. So means back to the sea. So we just relax first at Disin house. And we're gonna walk again to the sea. So this is an epic. And we're also the first visitor to take a picture to the signage there in the summit, the Mount Naliwatan signage. So they just put it now. So we're the first visitor to take a picture there in the signage of Mount Naliwatan in the summit. Yeah, very nice, very historic, epic climb in Biliran. Nice. Tomorrow maybe relax. Okay. Baguio. Very nice. So Barangay Sampaw. Going out to the Disin house over here. In our second part, back to Disin house. Later for the third part, from Sampaw to the sea. So we go night trekking tonight. So we just rest first. Back to Disin house. Yeah, the time now is already 5:55. Yeah, made it. Good. Relax now. Hang our clothes, wet clothes, change, and some snack. Rest a little bit and later go to the sea. See you tonight. Here in Disin house, going to the sea now. Let's go. The part 3, we're going now to the sea. From Barangay Sampaw to the sea. To complete the sea summit sea. Okay, walking now. Still in Sampaw. Snack time. Libre.
Tony. Try balotan, Tony.
Sig nabali ni mo pa walk sir.
Nabaliktad na ako ng pagdali.
Tigo. Rasa?
Perfect. Oh, ba siya? Hindi ka na-account sa ba?
Very good. Yummy balot. Snack time. Walking, going down. Going down now to the sea. To the sea. Pal na. Ha? Okay, continue. We're near now to the sea. Back to the highway now. Yeah, going to Almeria.
Okay na? Ano ba?
Yeah, back to the sea. Yeah, we reach to the summit. Sea to the summit, naliwatan, and come back to the sea. Now, time for swimming. So we made it. Congratulations to us, to Rodney.
Yes, we are.
So back to Sampao. So Kuya's here. Right now, habal-habal. So time for relaxing now. We just finished our epic climb in Biliran. Okay, let's go. 20 PM at Dilsen House. So relaxing now. Yeah, finally made it. We finished our epic Biliran climb from sea to summit and back to the sea. So thank you for watching. See you for the next adventure. Time to eat our dinner now. Good night.